Welcome to the 1 Hour Guide channel, a transformative learning space for leaders and entrepreneurs, where every hour is a step to a better you. Together, let's build your mastery and your business. Today, I'm diving into the powerful strategies from the book Systemology by David Jenyns, and how it can revolutionize your business operations in just 7 clear phases. First up, the define phase. Imagine mapping out every detail of your business processes, understanding the core of what makes your business tick. It's about getting deep into the nitty-gritty of your daily operations and laying a solid foundation. Next, we move to assign phase. This is where precision meets delegation. You allocate every task to the right team members, making sure everyone knows their role, enhancing efficiency and accountability. Then, there's extract. This phase is all about documentation. You're essentially creating a blueprint of your business that anyone could follow, a manual that ensures everyone's on the same page. Organize. This is where things start to shape up more visibly. You take all that documented info and structure it into a user-friendly system that's easy to navigate. This is crucial for maintaining order and ease of use. Integrate, the 5th stage, is where the magic of synergy happens. You start linking different processes and systems to work as a unified whole. This is where efficiency is born, eliminating any operational silos. Scaling, every entrepreneur's goal, right? In the scale phase, you're adapting and evolving your systems to support growth and meet new market demands. It's about staying flexible and scalable. Lastly, optimize. This is continuous improvement at its best. Regular evaluations, tweaking processes, and staying responsive to feedback keep your business dynamic and ahead of the curve. Now imagine implementing these phases in your business. Picture the transformation, the efficiency, and how streamlined everything becomes. If you're as excited as I am about turning these ideas into reality, dive deeper into Systemology. Visit the 1 Hour Guide site. I've left the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the 1 Hour Guide channel and follow books by Anil Nathu on Amazon for the latest content. Transform your business, optimize your systems, and let's excel together. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, every hour with your 1 Hour Guide is a step to a better you.